Need help coming up with content for social media? This tip is for you. Head on over to ahrefs.com YouTube keyword tool. In the search bar, while YouTube is selected, you're gonna enter your keyword or phrase. You're gonna select Find Keywords, select Questions, and then you'll see in the free version, you'll see all the questions that are being asked related to staging a home. Not everything is going to make sense, but you'll notice it's asking for tips for staging a master or primary bathroom, tips for staging a primary bedroom, how to stage a kitchen when selling a home. By knowing that these are phrases and questions that people are asking on YouTube, people are genuinely asking how to do this, you then can provide the answer through the form of sharing a video, whether it's a selfie video, whether it's a video that you created in Canva. You answering these videos and putting them on your social media platforms then positions you as an expert because you're answering these frequently asked questions. Follow me for more social media tips.